I'm hoping for clear skies soon, because I kind of want to do some stuff on the 58 Fairlane today, at least on the outside. But if not, I gotta do some things on the inside. Well, it was spitting a little rain. Weather can't make up its mind whether to come or go, and I gotta clear this entire thing out and start stripping it all out. The doors I want to keep on temporarily, and I just gotta get some stuff out of here. I gotta get a container, get the bolts out, and then make all the room. And then I'm gonna try to get underneath and try to get that dial out, the dashboard, because stuff is on the inside, on the other side. So it's gonna be a little interesting to get to there. I'm gonna pretty much gutter is what I can. This seat, I gotta check it to see if it's shot or not, because it's been so old and sitting. Oh, there's my goggles. So pretty much the last and final look of the 58 Fairlane 2-door sedan Interceptor Special, complete to what it is. And I gotta be careful when I slap this side. Some of that metal sticking out. So I need to start stripping it and get it ready for a very long journey. And watch another thing too. When you watch all this video, I guess I'm gonna stick to at least 2 cars due to the rise in materials and everything, which has made stuff difficult and push stuff back. So a lot of the vehicles here that we were going to start working on, you know, restoration, want to put them up and squeeze them together. Tucker's still going to work on Drama Queen, the 61 Starliner, because I guess next week we're going to be yanking out the engine, or at least I'm going to. I'm not quite sure yet, but a lot of things got pushed back. So, and I may actually have to put the frame back underneath the 58 Biscayne and pull it over for storage, because rising prices and everything. Because last year when I started doing that, it was just fine, but now this year I can't do it. So I can only afford 2 cars, and that one's going to take a lot more than the 58 Fairlane to fix, because, you know, I need a front clip, I need a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna mess with whole cars, and I'm thinking about either the 64 Mercury or the 74 Gran Torino Sport Brougham. So it's life. So enough gabbing. I'm gonna start cleaning stuff out of here and get a work spot made and start working. This video might not be the best content for Wednesday. It's starting to spit a little bit of rain. And there's some stuff on the outside of the car that I need to take care of. So, found the hammer. I can try to at least get this cursed bolt off finally, after what, almost a year. I want to take this seat out and analyze the floor, see what I need to get and replace on this, because know for a fact I need to replace the floorboard on that side, most likely on that side to a certain extent. And of course, I'm going to have to pop a hole in the middle there, because this is going to be the 4-speed. Want to find a little bit of a different steering column. Want to keep the steering wheel back and put it on the new steering column, because this is not going to be a 3-speed anymore. I mean, I know how to drive 3-speeds. I just really can't find a 3-speed online that will be able to handle the 428 Police Interceptor Cobra Jet with the 2 4s. So, but if any of you know where one is, or that can handle such horsepower, please post it down in the comments, and I might actually keep this 3-speed. Darn hair. No, that's dust. So, alrighty, I guess I can see if I can't get the seat out and make some room, and then analyze the floorboard a little bit more. And is that a rear mirror? To what? Huh. I guess I'll get to that in a moment. Didn't know I had another rear view mirror in here because I got the stock right there. Okay, whatever. So the wind's picking up. Now this thing is like, you know what? I'll just leave the biscuit in here just in case if I get lucky, because I've been starting to get a little lucky on a few things lately. So I just gotta empty it out. I'll just keep, like I said, I'll just keep the biscuit in here instead of moving it. But this mirror, well, I hope that wasn't too bright for y'all. But I don't know what this is too. I got the mirror for the Biscayne, it's still up there. Of course, the mirror for the Fairlane. So I don't know what that's exactly to. I'll save it back, of course. But yeah, it's on a stem. I think that might be a natural bend. The bolt right there to change it. Yeah, don't know what it's to. So you're probably noticing this right here. Well, I actually had to resort in order to yank this out, and it's still there. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out besides some heat, but I'm starting to clean this a little bit. I got a hole here. I gotta pick up all those bolts and everything. So some parts and pieces of this floorboard on this side has to be replaced. Guess I should have never left that door open, huh? And I have a little tiny hole right there. Gotta crawl in. Oh, I think I was standing on a sticker, wasn't I? Ooh, yeah. Ooh. That's a pretty good sized goat head. So I split boy along the glass. Just a hole right there, huh? So this is where so this is where the 4-speed will go, unless if someone can find me a really good 3-speed recommendation for the 428 Police Interceptor Cobra Jet to 2 4s. They said this was blue, but did they do a full interior restoration or something? Because the code on this says blue. Huh. That's definitely not blue. It's black. I'll have to run the numbers again. They're right there. I'll just take a picture, see if I actually typed in something wrong. Let me do that real fast. Okay, so this is a black car. Jet black. So, I don't care. Interior is going to be stripped and be white and gray, with the exterior being white and some sort of a combination of like a cherry apple red, something new. So not much to go by today, tiny bit of stuff to be done. Now I need to start stripping the car on the dash. Oh, I should have brought stuff over on this side. Oh yeah, this seat appears to be still pretty good. I'll just upgrade the seat springs in the back and everything, so that way it's more modern. And plus too, I want to learn how to make own custom seats for stuff like this. So I mean, watching some videos online, seems pretty reasonable, straightforward, instead of the aluminum seats where you just make a bucket and put a pad in. But I'm talking about actual seats like this once things get going more. But with how it is in 2022, things are rough. So let's see here. You know what, let me sweep this real fast and analyze the floor just a little bit more while also yanking those out. kind of, guys, truth be told, I don't know if I'll be using the Edsel power steering unit or not. I might. I don't know yet. But here, let me get this side swept real fast. Man, the wind's getting worse and worse. But stroke of luck, there's nothing on this side that's really bad. Matter of fact, it's perfect. I'm surprised. So it's this side that has the issues. Carefully get in here. So let's see here. So pretty much small little patchworks here and there. Oh, the broom fell over. So I've never really done a 58 Fairlane before. Subfloor. So I got a hole here, hole in the front, which that is no good. Yeah, that thing's just, it's far too gone. Okay, so it feels like I gotta replace some of that too. Fix that spot with a small little patch. I also have one back here. Get that out of the way. So patch. Of course, I'll clean the rest of the car out once we get that shop vac fixed and going. So that stupid thing needs to be looked at and fixed. Because I'll take all the bolts and such out and everything else, and then just vacuum. But how do I get these out? I don't know. I don't know how to get those out. So let's see here. Alright, get these chrome pieces out. Yeah, black car, black carpet. What's actually left of it, disintegrating as you pull it up. So not too bad, not too bad. Let me get my cell phone out here. Let me see about something. Because I could still, well, I need to get this seat out too. Where is it at? Okay. That should be pretty easy to get out here. So I want to see on what's in the back. Wait, what? Oh, it's the light shining in. I've never sat in the back of this car before. Oh. Wow. Back seat still sits pretty good. I'm still a big guy. That's where the front of the seat sat right there. Wow. Amazing. And I was also looking at this too, with some stuff, looking at this, since, you know, Galaxy came from Fairlane, I could definitely see some stuff where Galaxy got the playbook out of Fairlane and used some of their stuff for it. Oh. So this was black and white. Yeah, black and white interior. I just now realized that. How about it? It's a very interesting design too. Look at that. Yeah, that's definitely 500 stuff. Man, so now I want to start working on the dashboard, but that'll be a video for another time, just to show everyone that I'm starting to work on Cherry Bomb Victoria little by little. Because I gotta document stuff, which will take a little bit longer, and I'll forget to record. And then I'm just gonna strip, go back here. I'm just gonna strip the dash out, all of it. I'm gonna be careful on taking the plastic out and try to get something more upgraded in there. Definitely going to build a different inlet for the radio, unless if that spot's not too big, then I'll put a new radio in someplace without cutting in the dashboard, because I don't want to do that. So yeah, looking at everything back here, scoping it all out. So yeah, so that's pretty much does it with this video. Just a little bit to show everyone that I'm starting to work on this. It's going to be a slow journey now because of the rise in prices and everything. It is what it is. So please take in consideration of liking, sharing, following, commenting, and subscribing. We're not after money in any way, shape, or form. We're just after subscribers. Yeah, not much else to really say. I'm just going to start tackling that dash here and then just get stuff going, because there's other stuff I got to do during the week. So I'm jumping back and forth between cars and yard work and all that. If it didn't rain and snow during April and much into May, I would have actually had it all done. So already on this video there. So y'all have a good now. Take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again for support.